I'm here to share the top 3 reasons why installing solar energy is a game changer for you right now, and why PowerAfricaSolar.com is your go-to partner for solar solutions anywhere in Kenya. Let's dive in. Reason number 1. Slash your electricity bills. Imagine saying goodbye to those skyrocketing electricity bills. With solar power, you tap into the sun's free, abundant energy to run your home or business. In Kenya, where sunshine is practically a national treasure, solar panels can save you thousands of shillings every month. Whether you're powering your lights, appliances, or even a small business, solar cuts your reliance on expensive grid electricity, putting more money back in your pocket for the things that matter most. Reason number 2. Reliable power day or night. Let's face it, power outages in Kenya can be a real headache. Whether you're running a shop, studying for exams, or keeping your family comfortable, unreliable electricity is a problem. Solar systems with battery storage give you power 24/7, even when the grid fails. No more scrambling for candles or generators. With solar, you're in control, enjoying uninterrupted power for your home or business, no matter where you are in Kenya. Reason number 3. Empower your future with energy independence. Solar isn't just about today, it's about building a brighter, self-reliant tomorrow. By installing solar, you're investing in your own energy security. No more worrying about rising electricity tariffs or unpredictable outages. Plus, with Kenya's growing economy, solar lets you power your dreams, whether it's expanding your business, charging electric vehicles, or simply living with peace of mind. It's a smart, future-proof choice. Here's the deal. PowerAfricaSolar.com is Kenya's trusted solar expert. We offer top-quality solar panels, batteries, and installations tailored to your needs, whether you're in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, or the most remote village. Our team handles everything from design to installation, ensuring you get a reliable, cost-effective system with unbeatable customer support. So, what are you waiting for? Save money, enjoy reliable power, and take control of your energy future today. Visit PowerAfricaSolar.com or call us now to get a free quote. Let's harness the sun's power together and light up Kenya, one solar panel at a time. PowerAfricaSolar.com, your partner for a brighter, bolder future.